Hey guys, I'm Jade. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 easy steps to create hair. I just want to share a little hack to make you draw hair faster. This tip works on colored portraits and even in black and white ones too. All you need is a marker and your white, black, and dark brown colored pencils. You can also add a ball pen if you'd like. First step is to fill in your base with just marker. I would still prefer following the hair strokes in the reference for better accuracy. After that, you can now start making the highlights with your white colored pencil. It is better to sharpen the pencil properly for better results. Follow the hair strands in the reference. Once you're satisfied, you can now add black strokes using a black colored pencil so that you can kinda retouch it. You can also add dark brown strokes if necessary. For extra details outside the hair, you can use a black colored pencil or your black ball pen. And that's it! 3 easy steps to make hair. Also, I uploaded another hair tutorial with oil pastel as a base. If you find this video interesting, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can't miss any of my tutorials like this. Thank you for watching!